Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Zoom meeting link hyperlinked in an email. This is a great way to create professional-looking meeting invitations where recipients can simply click the link instead of seeing a long, messy URL. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has the necessary permissions to schedule meetings for your team or organization. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on Meetings. This will take you to your Meetings dashboard, where you can view all your upcoming and past meetings. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Schedule a Meeting. Go ahead and click on that to start creating your new meeting. Now, you'll be presented with a form to fill out your meeting details. In the topic field, enter a descriptive name for your meeting. For instance, you could type something like Weekly Team Update. This helps participants know exactly what the meeting is about before they join. Next, set the date and time for your meeting by using the drop-down menus provided. Make sure to select a time that works for all participants. Below that, select your preferred time zone from the drop-down menu. This is especially important if you're working with a distributed team across different regions. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to generate the meeting information. Zoom will now create your meeting and provide you with all the details you'll need to share with your participants. Now it's time to compose your email invitation. Open a new tab and go to gmail.com. Once you're in Gmail, click on Compose to start drafting your email. In the recipient field, enter the email address of the person or people you want to invite. Then, add a clear subject line that lets them know this is a meeting invitation. Go back to your Zoom meeting information page. Navigate to the Security section and click Show to reveal all the meeting details. Here, you'll find the topic, time, meeting ID, and security passcode. Copy all of this information and head back to your Gmail draft and paste it into the email body. This gives your recipients all the essential details they need. Now, go back again to the Zoom meeting information page and navigate to the Invite Link section. Click Copy the link to copy the full meeting URL to your clipboard. Return to your Gmail draft and paste the link into the email. Here's the important part. Highlight the link you just pasted, then look at the bottom of the email composition window and click Insert Link. This will convert the plain text URL into a clickable hyperlink, making it much cleaner and more professional looking. Finally, review your email to make sure everything looks correct, then click Send to deliver your meeting invitation. And that's it. You've successfully created a hyperlinked Zoom meeting invitation that looks clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.